You asked, how to divide 2307 by 7 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 23. 23 divided by 7 equals 3. 3 times 7 equals 21. 23 minus 21 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 7 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. 20 minus 14 equals 6. Bring down 7, making 67. 67 divided by 7 equals 9. 9 times 7 equals 63. 67 minus 63 equals 4. The remainder is 4. The final result is 329 remainder 4.